Alright guys, working on Pierre again. Getting ready to put this tray slash gasket. Pretty cool. Never seen one like that before. So, obviously in the front and the back, put a bead of silicone. Guys, you do not have to go nuts. Just a simple bead. Okay guys? Now, let's see if we can get this thing in here one-handed. Oh, I guess if I actually video on this side, huh? Oh, it's just like that. Come on, get in there. There we go. Now, we'll do a quick little bead up top there. And drop the intake manifold on there. And start bolting that bad boy down. Well, I can't do that one-handed, so I'll get you guys an update. All right, guys, look at that. Bolts all nice and snug. Manifold's on. Bobby's gonna come over and put this dead top center, and then I can put the valve covers on, and just keep on plugging along over here. Kind of get things back together. Yay! All right, guys. Well, there's your update.